Welcome to today's English lesson. Today, you will learn 10 polite English phrases to sound professional at work. These phrases will help you speak politely, confidently, and naturally in the office. Let's begin. Phrase 1. Could you please send me the report? This phrase is a very polite way to ask someone to do something. You can use it when you want to access a document, file, or piece of information. Here are more examples. Could you please email me the file? Could you please check this document? Phrase 2. Would you mind helping me with this task? This phrase is a very polite way to ask for help. You can use it when you need assistance and want to sound respectful. Here are more examples. Would you mind showing me how to do this? Would you mind staying a little longer? Phrase 3. I really appreciate your support. This phrase is a polite way to say thank you for someone's help. You can use it when a coworker or manager helps you with your work. Here are more examples. I really appreciate your help. I appreciate your hard work. Phrase 4. Thank you for your time today. This phrase is used to thank someone for giving you their time. You can use it at the end of a meeting or a professional conversation. Here are more examples. Thank you for your time and attention. Thank you for meeting with me today. Phrase 5. If it's okay with you, I'll start the meeting now. This phrase is a polite way to ask for permission before starting something. You can use it at the beginning of a meeting or activity. Here are more examples. If it's okay with you, I'll explain the agenda. If it's okay with you, I'll begin the presentation. Phrase 6. I'd be happy to help you. This phrase shows that you are willing and pleased to help. You can use it when someone asks you for help at work. Here are more examples. I'd be happy to assist you with that. I'd be happy to work on this task. Phrase 7. May I ask a quick question? This phrase is a polite way to interrupt and ask a question. You can use it in meetings or conversations to avoid sounding rude. Here are more examples. May I ask about the schedule? May I ask a quick question about the project? Phrase 8. Please reply at your convenience. This phrase means the person can reply when it is comfortable for them. You can use it in professional emails and messages. Here are more examples. Please call me at your convenience. Please let me know at your convenience. Phrase 9. Just to clarify, the deadline is Friday. This phrase is used to politely confirm information. You can use it when you want to make sure something is correct. Here are more examples. Just to clarify, the meeting starts at 10 a.m.? Just to clarify, you need the final version today? Phrase 10. That sounds great. Let's proceed. This phrase shows that you agree and are ready to continue. You can use it after hearing a good idea or plan. Here are more examples. That sounds great. Let's continue. That sounds good. Let's move forward. Now we come to the end. Before you go, choose one phrase from today's lesson and write your own sentence in the comments. This small practice will help you improve faster. If you want more professional English lessons like this, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Thank you for learning with me today. See you next time!